Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Tundra key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, that you wish to program. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Before we begin, make sure all doors are securely closed and no keys are currently in the ignition. This preparation ensures a successful programming attempt. Now let's get your Tundra into programming mode. Insert your master key into the ignition, then quickly remove it 2 times. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. This sequence needs to be done fairly quickly. After that, insert the master key into the ignition 1 more time and then remove it. This prepares the vehicle for the next step. With the vehicle ready, it's time to register your new fobs. Close and open the driver's door 2 more times. Then, insert the master key into the ignition and leave it in place. Now, take your new key fob and press the lock button for approximately 1 second. You should hear a confirmation sound, indicating successful registration. Repeat this for any additional fobs. To complete the programming, simply remove the master key from the ignition. This action will signal the vehicle to exit programming mode. Once out of programming, take a moment to test all your newly programmed key fobs. Ensure each one locks and unlocks the doors as expected. If any fob isn't working, don't worry. You can repeat the entire process to try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.